Hey, I wanted to tell you guys something, just so you know. If you put a different SIM in your phone and you had mobileX, I did have mobileX. I deleted the eSIM on here because the trial was over and I didn't feel like getting a subscription. Make sure you go into settings and go to VPN and device management. And delete the mobileX APN, because I'm not going to delete it for the moment. I'm going to hit cancel. It's going to stay there, right? So I go to the speed test app and I get no data. But watch, as soon as I go over here and remove the profile, let me put my passcode in, hit remove, watch, go back. I have to exit the app and come back in. Look, there. Now it's working. So make sure if you used mobileX on iPhone, you delete that profile so that you can start using data. Otherwise, it won't work. So thank you guys for watching the short video, and I will see you guys in the next one.